Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to edit your Canva website after publishing. It's a common question, and thankfully, the process is quite straightforward. You don't need to start from scratch or worry about losing your work. We'll walk through 4 simple steps to ensure your online presence remains fresh and accurate. This guide will help you confidently update your site, keeping your content current and engaging for your visitors. Once you are logged into your Canva account, the first step is to locate your published website. Head over to the Projects section, usually found on the left side of your dashboard. Here, you will see all your designs. Look for the one specifically marked as a website. Clicking on it will open your design in the editor, ready for modifications. Now that your website is open, you can begin making all your desired changes. Whether you need to update text, swap out images, or add entirely new sections, Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes it easy. Remember to check how your site appears on both desktop and mobile devices using the preview option. This ensures a consistent and professional look for all your visitors. Once you are completely satisfied with your edits, it's time to make them live. Simply click the Publish Website button located in the top right corner of your screen. You will be prompted to review your publishing settings, such as your domain and site description. After confirming these details, click Republish Website. Your changes will then be updated and visible to the public almost immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.